This is probably the easiest one and probably one of my favorite ones. The application process easy, quick, and accessible. Just like the real estate market right now, it is an employees market. We all know that, right? And so you want to make sure that your hiring process is able to move fast, but you're also making really smart hiring decisions. I had someone that I was giving, consulting with, and the client was asking, like, we don't get that many applicants. Why do you think that is? And so I went on their website and I actually tried to apply for one of their jobs, and it took me 15 minutes to be able to complete an application. In today's world, applicants, if it takes more than 3 minutes, they're moving on. They're going to be applying for another company. Application fatigue is a real thing in the candidate market, and so you really want to make sure that you're getting the necessary information that you need. But remember, you're also going to be gathering a lot of information through the interviewing process as well. So start to cut out some of that weight in the early stage, in that very beginning, and really focus on what do I need up front, and then what can I gather later. So the quick thing that I always recommend to anyone is try your own application online and see how long it takes. Because I think for some of us, we've had, whether they're paper applications or online versions, a lot of times we tend to forget of how long that may take. And you really want to put yourself in the shoes of the candidate and what that experience looks like. And then the second best tip that I have is cut down the number of interviews that you have. So for some folks, especially those that are in like a more of a white collar industry, you may have like panel interviews that's like 3 to 5. Cut them down, especially in smaller organizations where you may really value the opinion and the decision of a couple of key leaders. I always recommend do tandem interviews. Have yourself and that one leader that you trust, or the hiring manager that's going to be making that decision, involved in those interviews, right? You can try to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Not only are you saving yourself time and money, but you're also saving the candidate time and also able to move a lot quicker, so you're not having to compete with other offers later on.